So now let us talk about autotrophic mode of nutrition. So how autotrophs are making their own food. So autotrophs are making their own food via process called photosynthesis. That means plants and trees are doing photosynthesis, and via this they are making their own food. Now during photosynthesis what will happen? So they require water, mineral, CO2 is carbon dioxide, and they need sunlight. With the help of these four simple substances, they will make their food and they will liberate oxygen into the air. Now let us understand in detail. First of all, water and mineral. So water and mineral, they are taking via roots. So via roots, they are taking water and mineral from the soil. Then carbon dioxide. CO2 is a molecular formula of gaseous substance, that is carbon dioxide. We all know that when we will exhale, we exhale carbon dioxide. We require oxygen for our respiration, and when we will exhale out the air, we are exhaling out carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is utilized by plant and trees when they are doing this photosynthesis. So this carbon dioxide they are taking via leaves, via stomata pore. Now stomata pores are a simple pores on the surface of the leaves which are responsible for gaseous exchange. So from the leaves they are taking carbon dioxide from the air. Then comes sunlight. So sunlight they are taking with the help of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present into the leaves. So via chlorophyll they are taking sunlight. Then they are making food. Now food they are making in form of carbohydrates. Now there are many form of carbohydrates. They are storing their food into the leaves in the form of starch. Then they are liberating out oxygen. So it is a byproduct of this photosynthesis. Now they are taking in the carbon dioxide from the leaves, the same way they are giving out oxygen at the end of photosynthesis process. Now let us understand everything with the help of pictures and in detail. So this is our photosynthesis process in which they are using water, mineral, carbon dioxide and sunlight. Now water and mineral they are taking it from the root. And plants have small pipe-like vessel, as you can see it here. And they will channelize these nutrients so that it will reach till the leaves. So here small pipes and vein-like structure will be there. They will send this water and mineral from the roots till the leaves so that they will use this water and mineral for their photosynthesis process. Now, what are the minerals? Minerals are like phosphorus and nitrogen. All these are also termed as inorganic substance. So these substances they are taking as a mineral. Combinedly they all are called mineral. So they are taking it from the soil along with the water. Then comes carbon dioxide. Molecular formula we are writing it like this, that is CO2. They are taking up from the air. Then comes the sunlight they are taking from the sun, and they are making carbohydrates, and they are storing the food in the form of starch into the leaves, and in turn they will give out oxygen. They are taking carbon dioxide in and they are giving out oxygen. So these are the stomata pore. As you can see on the leaves, on the surface of the leaf, this kind of pores will be there. This is a pore and it is surrounded by these small guard cells. So they will open up the pore when photosynthesis is happening, and via this pore the leaves are taking carbon dioxide from the air. So here carbon dioxide leaves are taking via stomata pore. Pore means a tiny holes will be there on the surface of the leaves, and they are surrounded by this guard cell. So this guard cell will open up this stomata pore and then they will take the carbon dioxide in for the photosynthesis process. Now chlorophyll is a green pigment, as you can see into the picture, and this green color pigment will absorb the sunlight from the nature, and that they are using to make starch and oxygen. Now photo means light and synthesis to combine. With the help of light, they are combining all this simple substance. What are the simple substances? Simple substances means water, minerals, carbon dioxide. They are combining and they are making food. And that is our photosynthesis. So this table will help you to remember that what is the function of each part in photosynthesis. Now we all know that leaves are doing photosynthesis, but how the deserted plant like this cactus are doing photosynthesis as they don't have leaves. So as we can see into the pictures, the leaves have converted into the thorns. Now this, why they have converted, why they have adopted this feature? Because these thorns will not lose any water. How the leaves are losing the water via transpiration, the thorns will not lose any water, and it will in turn help them to save some of the water, because in the desert there will be scarcity of the water. So they have adopted this feature that they have converted leaves into the thorns. Now who will do the photosynthesis? So here as you can see, the stem is of green color. So the stem, instead of leaves, the stem will do the photosynthesis and it will suffice the need of food.